Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick practice in some basic pencil coloring. So if you have a pencil crayon ready, it could be any color, we will try and sketch something out. So I'm drawing an arm from this particular side. Let's say that this is the person, this is the head, the ball joint, and the best way to actually express the arm, if we need to put in some colors, is by having some kind of muscularity to it, so that there's more dimension that you can explore. So I am just doing a typical torso here. So this is the part we will be focusing on right here, and I am putting in some heavy delt work. I'm putting in bicep, forearm, I'm putting in the hand itself from a certain angle. And now I didn't put it on this side yet, so because I'm trying to work with a light source, so I'm going to use this pencil now first to determine if the light source is, let's say, coming in from here. Since we have some round shape here to work with, we're going to put in the crosshatch right across like that along the curvature, so that it is darkened around the bend right where the curvature is, and then we're going to fade it out and come in somewhat like that. But now, to give it the feel of the arm, we're going to also heavy up the tones here around the delt separation, and we're going to give some delt striations here. I'm going into the pec there just out of habit, so some delt striations here, striations coming in, and I stop right there some place. So very generic, just to illustrate how we're going about this. So pretty much the same routine here, except the curvature is not necessarily here. It hits somewhere around this part where the comparative bulk of the arm is in this case, and that is the tricep. So I'm putting in a little bit of ink right there, a little bit of tone right there, coming down, and then there's that shadow and whatnot. So we'll continue step by step. So there's the fade out, but here we could have a bit of dimension here, for example around the bicep. So the side bicep head, let's say, the darker belly, and if there's any kind of vein structure, you could also accommodate that, but not essentially in this exercise. We can do it. So let's, right there, I just put in a bit of groundwork for a vein, and then some crosshatch to fade, and then I'm coming right down, and as you see that we are going about this fairly quickly, so all details not necessarily included. So there's the horseshoe, and I'm putting in darker tone underneath, lighter above, and trying to blend in as much as I can with the rest of the arm there. And then we come down, I have another, let's say, some arms are structured that way, and we'll put in some forearm muscle in our each developed muscle there has its own curvature and fading tone and fill. So I'm going okay. So now if we go in here and put in some additional tones, and I'm just going to grab any random pencil, and you'll see that it's going to bring out some more right. So here we go. So a quick practice there in pencil colors and pencil color and tone, and I'm talking about particularly a almost well-defined arm. Of course, we can traverse into the chest from here on using that same light source, but that is an exercise that we are going to tap in to in another video. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day. Okay. So same thing around the curvature of the hand here. I'm just going and tapping into whatever details I can quickly tap into, and so now that I just put in some rough details right through, if I smudge out a little bit, and again it comes out much finer than this because you take little time when you put down something as intricate as color, and not necessarily just like. Okay, so now if we go in here and put in some additional tones, and I'm just going to grab any random pencil, and you'll see that it's going to bring out some more right. So here we go. So a quick practice there in pencil colors and pencil color and tone, and I'm talking about particularly a well, almost well-defined arm. Of course, we can traverse into the chest from here on using that same light source, but that is an exercise that we are going to tap in to in another video. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.